industry, so he knows this business inside and out.
Okay. Don't tell anyone this secret. Shh. I got a secret weapon for you. And I think everyone has access to this secret weapon. The secret weapon is your cell phone, your smartphone. I like an iPhone, okay? Think about this. We can call from this, we can text from this, we can send video emails from this, we can send video text messages from this, we can send videos, we can take a video, we can take pictures. Everything you really need is right here. You can run a whole business off your phone, but some of you don't even know how to use this correctly. Some of you won't even pick up the phone when it rings, or you won't reply to a text, or you won't reply to a message. Hey, I've been guilty of this. We all get busy, okay? But this is your secret weapon. Okay, if you want to have access to this, then what you need to do is pick up the phone and call people. You can call your sellers, you can call your buyers, you can call your clients. Use video. It's amazing. People love FaceTime. People love being able to see a video and interact. Just like you're watching this video right now, this is a secret weapon. You're probably watching this video on your phone. So your phone is your secret weapon. Use it, okay? Use your phone as your secret weapon. Use it to text message, use it to call people, use it to send video messages. Use your phone as your secret weapon. Thanks for watching this.